Hi friends! I am here to interview a person with first-hand experience from a microscope. Hello.
Hi.
So what is your name?
Okay, I'm Fritzy and I'm a science research specialist and I use a microscope in my everyday tasks work.
So how is the microscope used in your profession?
I actually do research on medicinal plants. So we're a big group and we test if a plant can be used as a medicine. And another group, the pharmaceutical group, would do the testing if it's effective as a medicine. But in our group, as a chemist, what we do is we test if that plant can cause cancer or if it's carcinogenic. So what we do is we feed the plant to mice, and then we have to kill the mice, and then we extract their bone marrow, and we put it into microscope slides, and we look at the cells. So we count if there are any anomalies in the cells, and if there is too much than normal, then that particular plant causes cancer, and so we cannot take it as a drug.
So how much does a microscope help you? How important is it in your job?
It's very important because in my job I need to look at the cells, and you cannot look at the cells with your eyes alone. So you need a tool like the microscope to see, to check, because it's dangerous if, for example, you develop a drug and then it can cause cancer, and then you sell it to people, and then it would cause adverse effects to the people who take it. So it's very important, the microscope is a very important tool for my job to check if a particular plant causes cancer.
So any advice for biology students?
For biology students, I think the study of science in general, especially biology, is very important because as soon as we understand, for example in biology, as soon as we understand our systems, we understand nature, we could find ways to solve problems. Like for example, in our case, we study plants to solve, sicknesses in humans. So it developed drugs for curing diabetes, and these are all from plants. So it's very important to have an understanding and appreciation of nature, of what the Lord has given us, because actually every solution to our problem, or every cure to an illness is actually already available. What we just have to do is search for it. So sometimes biology is boring because you have to memorize a lot of things, but it's a very important science, and when you master it, or when you appreciate it and you use it, you can contribute a lot to the society. So take some time and appreciate what you're studying also. It could be boring, but who knows, maybe you could be the next inventor or the next discoverer of a drug or of something that will be useful to mankind.
Okay friends, so now you have seen my interview. This is Ana de Ramos from 2B saying goodbye.